Welcome to AI Frontiers, where the latest breakthroughs in language technology are brought to light. Today, the focus is on a remarkable collection of 105 research papers from June 2, 2025, centered on computational linguistics. This field is revolutionizing how machines communicate with humans, and these papers reveal advancements in fairness, inclusivity, and reasoning. Let's explore the future of language technology together. Now let's outline what lies ahead in this episode of AI Frontiers. A comprehensive journey into computational linguistics awaits, starting with the core concepts of the field. Key research themes and groundbreaking findings from these 105 papers will be unpacked. 3 transformative papers will be highlighted for their innovative contributions. Additionally, the methodologies driving progress, future directions, and ethical considerations will be discussed. Stay tuned for an exclusive look behind the scenes of how this presentation was crafted with AI-driven synthesis tools. To begin, let's define computational linguistics, a fascinating intersection of human language and computer systems. This discipline is dedicated to enabling artificial intelligence to understand, generate, and process natural language. It powers everyday tools such as chatbots, translation applications, and voice assistants. The impact of this field is profound, enhancing accessibility, advancing education, and combating misinformation on a global scale. The 105 papers published on June 2, 2025, offer a vivid snapshot of the rapid and innovative evolution happening right now in this domain, showcasing how language technology is breaking barriers and connecting the world. One prominent theme emerging from these papers is the enhancement of reasoning and fairness in language models. Significant efforts are being made to refine these models, which underpin technologies like chatbots to ensure logical outputs while minimizing biases. A notable study by Burke Attil and colleagues demonstrates fine-tuning techniques to detect toxic content with remarkable precision. The primary goal is to reduce biases that disproportionately affect various social groups in AI-generated content. However, challenges persist, particularly in effectively addressing underrepresented demographics. This work is crucial as it paves the way for safer and more trustworthy digital interactions, ensuring that language technology serves as a tool for equity rather than division. Another critical area of focus in these papers is the advancement of multilingual and multimodal capabilities in artificial intelligence. Researchers are striving to make AI accessible across diverse languages, especially low-resource ones, by transforming grammar resources into computational code. Simultaneously, multimodal systems are being developed to integrate text, images, and audio for a richer understanding of context. Picture an AI system that can interpret a photograph while analyzing its accompanying caption. Such innovations are pushing the boundaries of inclusivity and practical application, ensuring that language technology can serve a global audience and adapt to real-world complexities with greater effectiveness. Ethics, evaluation, and interpretability form another vital theme in the current wave of computational linguistics research. Addressing bias and ethical concerns is paramount, with studies like the one by Pegah Alipour-Molabashi and team exploring risks of misattribution in authorship tools. New benchmarks are also being established to rigorously test AI performance on complex tasks such as web navigation. Furthermore, interpretability efforts are shedding light on how models process nuanced elements like idioms or encode gender in translations. These endeavors are essential for developing transparent and fair language systems, ensuring that the technology not only performs well, but also upholds societal values and trust. Turning to the most striking findings from these 105 papers, several breakthroughs stand out with the potential to redefine language technology. One study reports a 27.7% increase in factual accuracy for smaller models through knowledge distillation, making powerful AI feasible on everyday devices. Another reveals that AI debate systems, where models argue opposing sides of controversial claims, enhance human judgment accuracy by 10%. Additionally, reinforcement learning has shown exceptional results in table reasoning tasks, focusing on token entropy during training, targeting just 20% of critical decision points, has been found to match or exceed full training performance. Lastly, collaborative emotion models hint at achieving deeper social intelligence, pointing toward AI with more human-like empathy and understanding. How are these remarkable advances being achieved? The methodologies driving progress in computational linguistics are diverse and sophisticated. Fine-tuning remains a cornerstone, adapting pre-trained models for specific tasks such as toxicity detection. Reinforcement learning, where AI learns through rewards, is widely applied in automating complex tasks, though designing effective reward systems poses challenges. Self-supervised learning, often using transformer architectures, excels at pattern recognition in unlabeled data, as seen in speech emotion recognition. Probing techniques enhance transparency by revealing how models encode information, while dataset curation and benchmarking provide critical evaluation frameworks. Each method offers unique strengths and trade-offs, shaping the trajectory of language technology development. Let's dive deeper into a standout paper by Berkatile and colleagues titled Something Just Like Trust: Toxicity Recognition of Span and Target. Published in 2025, this study focuses on identifying specific toxic text spans and their targeted social groups, moving beyond general toxicity detection. The researchers introduced the Trust dataset, a valuable resource for developing precise content moderation tools. Fine-tuned models outperformed zero-shot and few-shot approaches in detecting toxicity, identifying targets, and pinpointing toxic spans. However, performance gaps were noted for underrepresented demographics, highlighting limitations in current models' social understanding. This work was selected for its profound societal impact, offering tools to reduce online harm with greater accuracy and transparency, though scaling to diverse groups remains a challenge. The second highlighted paper, by Pegah Alipour-Malabashian team, is titled Quantifying Misattribution Unfairness in Authorship Attribution, also from 2025. This research tackles fairness in authorship attribution systems, often used in forensics and plagiarism detection. A novel misattribution unfairness index was developed to measure how frequently authors are wrongly implicated as top suspects for texts they did not write. Testing across multiple models and datasets revealed systemic biases, with certain authors consistently at higher risk due to how models represent data mathematically. This study was chosen for addressing critical ethical risks in high-stakes applications, advocating for transparency and fairer AI design. While solutions may involve trade-offs between accuracy and fairness, this work underscores the importance of preventing real-world harm through responsible technology development. The third paper under the spotlight is by Tai Huang and colleagues, titled LAN Simulator: Advancing Data Generation for Large Action Model Training, published in 2025. This research addresses the scarcity of high-quality training data for large action models, which are designed for task planning and tool use. The LAN Simulator framework autonomously generates data through task exploration, tool interaction, and real-time feedback, producing detailed action trajectories. Tested on benchmarks like ToolBench, it achieved up to a 49.3% performance boost with minimal human input. This paper was selected for its innovative and scalable approach, potentially transforming efficiency in real-world task automation. While ensuring simulated tasks reflect real-world complexity remains a challenge, this vision of AI learning through virtual experimentation could democratize access to advanced agent development. Looking ahead, the future directions of computational linguistics as reflected in these 105 papers point to several critical priorities. Building inclusive datasets for underrepresented languages and cultures is essential to ensure AI serves a truly global population. Integrating multimodal data, combining text, speech, and images promises to enrich AI capabilities, mirroring the multifaceted nature of human communication. Developing robust ethical frameworks is equally vital to guarantee fairness and truthfulness as AI influences public discourse. Challenges such as generalization gaps, where models struggle across diverse tasks or languages, and the high computational costs of cutting-edge systems must be addressed. Balancing rapid innovation with societal responsibility will shape the field's trajectory over the next decade, ensuring technology uplifts rather than divides. A glimpse behind the scenes reveals how this presentation was brought to life using advanced AI tools. Content analysis was supported by GPT-Grok, specifically the Grok 3 model, ensuring depth and accuracy in summarizing the research. Text-to-speech synthesis, powered by OpenAI, crafted the audio narration for a seamless listening experience. Visual elements were generated with assistance from Grok, enhancing the overall delivery. While human experts reviewed the content for quality, minor oversights may still exist. All references to the original papers are provided for those eager to explore further and verify the insights shared in this episode, maintaining transparency and encouraging deeper engagement with the source material. If the cutting-edge world of AI research captivates your interest, consider joining the AI Frontiers community. Subscribe to the YouTube channel titled AI Frontiers, where the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and beyond are explored. The channel's mission is to deliver weekly deep dives into technological frontiers, keeping enthusiasts informed and inspired. Hit the subscribe button for regular updates, and share your thoughts using the hashtag AI Frontiers to connect with fellow listeners. In this podcast, the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI are brought straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses content from the arXiv preprint server under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by the arXiv preprint server.